our goal for math review is I create multiplication and division fact families. So you were given some numbers yesterday and they look like this. And so you are trying to determine how to create a fact family using multiplication and division. So in order to do that, we must arrange these numbers in a way where they make sense when placed in orders with those symbols. So I could do 2 times 7 equals 14. Because when we multiply, our biggest number is on a side by itself. So this is one of my facts. My second fact could also be a multiplication fact where I just flip-flop these two numbers. So 7 times 2 equals 14. And both of these are true, so they are correct. If I said 14 times 2 equals 7, that would not be correct. 14 times 2 is not 7, so that is not a fact that I can write down. So I have two multiplication facts, and now I need my division ones. And in division, we generally start with our large number. So here we'd go 14 divided by 2 equals 7. And then the next one would be 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So when we look at these, we should notice that in multiplication, our biggest number is always by itself. And in division, the number being divided is always the biggest number. So 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Let's try another one. So again, we're making multiplication and division families. So let's do 8, 7, and 56. So again, you're only using these three numbers. So when multiplying, I know my 56 needs to be by itself. So I'm going to start with 8 times 7 equals 56. And then I can do 7 times 8 equals 56. And I know these are right because I know my multiplication facts. I also know that when I multiply, my biggest number should be by itself in my fact family. Now I'm going to switch to division. So again, now, because it's division, I'm going to start with my biggest number. My biggest number needs to be divided. So 56 divided by, I'm going to choose 8. 8 equals 7. And then 56 divided by 7 equals 8. The other thing you can often do is you can use Post-it notes or note cards, which I gave all of you at the beginning of the year. So if your fact family is 9, 3, and 27, you could write 9, 3, and 27, and then you could arrange them to see what's right. So 27 times 9, does that equal 3? No, that does not. That would be a very large number. Let's try 9 times 3. And 9 times 3 does equal 27. So then I could write that down as one of my facts. So I could write down 9 times 3 equals 27. Now I could flip-flop my numbers and go 3 times 9 equals 27. And that's true as well. So I'd start and write that down. Now, if I'm thinking about what I remember from before, to divide, I need my biggest number to start. So I'm going to flip this. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. So I could write that down. And then, because my largest number needs to be the one starting the division, I can flip-flop these. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. So your job is to write down 4 facts in your fact family, 2 that are multiplication and 2 that are division. Good luck. I look forward to seeing your work.